Okay, welcome back, student. See, uh, in last session we are learn about the fishes, Astactis and Contactis. So it is a third class. Is a class 3 is a amphibia. What is amphibia? Amphibia. Amphi means dwell. See, dwell nature. Pia means life. So it is a life. See, dual life is there. See, partially living in the land and partially living in the water. Okay. So it is a first tetrapoda. See this amphibia. First tetrapoda. Okay. See, tetra means four. Poda means, see, these are legs or see appendages. Four appendages. Two pair of limbs is there. But in fishes, fins is there. See, it is a living the both. They are living aquatic and terrestrial. See, we have to see the living the both aquatic and terrestrial. It is a living in the water and land also. Okay. Next we have to see the how many pairs of limbs is there? Two pairs of limbs is there. We have to see the two pairs of limbs. See here, these two pairs of limbs. See, these are a limbs. See, these are a limbs. Okay, two pairs of limbs is present and body made with the head and trunk. See, this part is a head. See, this region is a head and this region is a trunk. So it is a made with the head and trunk. Next, skin is a moist. See, without scales. See, it has to keep the always their skin is a moist. Okay. See, through a skin they are respire also. See, that's why. See, it is a their skin is a moist and slippery, slim. See, we have to see the slippery their substances. See, it is a secreting always on their skin. Okay. Next we have to see the that's why it is a we have to observe the frog. See, it is a more familiar with us. See, in our surrounding. See, if you see the if you touch the their body is a very soft and it is a slippery substances is present. Next, skin is a moist without scales. Next, eyes have eyelids. We have to see the their eyes have a eyelids. See this one. See this like eyelids. Eyelids and eyes. Next, we have to see the they are tail may be present. See, in our see here body tail may be present or absent. See, tail हो सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. See, इसमें tail है क्या? नहीं है. See, कई amphibian में tail है. See, we have to see the tympanum. Tympanum, see, they present represent the ear. We have to see the here tympanum is a represent the ear. Tympanum. See, is there external pinna? See this like pinna? There is no. We have a external pinna. But in this amphibians, there is no external pinna. See, it is a tympanum is present. Tympanum present in our ear also. See, next we have to see the cloaca. You see, cloaca means is a common duct. See, urinary, reproductions and alimentary canals. See, these are a common. See, that's why cloaca is present and respiration through gills, lungs, skin. See, through our gills they are respire. Next, lungs. See, when lungs through our lungs also it is a respiring and skin. Skin is a that's why it is skin is a moist. See, it is a respire through a skin also. See, we are calling the cutaneous respiration in amphibia. Cutaneous respiration in amphibia. Next, we have to see the heart is a 2-3 chambers is there. Heart is a 2-3 chambers. See, 3 chambers. See, 2 is a auricle and 1 is a ventricle. See, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. See this like their heart is there. Heart is a there. See this like we have to see the this like their heart. Okay. See, 2 auricles, 1 is a ventricle is present. Next, cold-blooded animals. See, these are a cold-blooded. What is cold-blooded? Cold-blooded animals means poikilotherms. See, they have to keep their body always in cool and cold. See, we have to see the, now is there any season? Plenty of frogs is present. See, in our surrounding. If you observe in summer, see there is no frogs. Because of frogs is going to the hibernation. They have to keep their body is moist and making the burrow and living inside in cool places. See, we are calling the poikilotherms. See this one, poikilotherms. Okay. See. Next we have to see the sexes are separate, external, oviparous, indirect. See, sexes are separate. Have you observed the frog? See, frog is their sexes is separate, means male and female is separate. And see, they are external and oviparous, means is laying the eggs in 100 of eggs is laying in water, releasing in water, and it is their development is indirect. Next we have to see this is a cloaca is a commonly opening. See here about the totally amphibia. Okay, next one is a reptilia. What is reptilia? Reptilia means is a creeping or crawling. See these animals is a creeping or crawling. Creep and crawl. Creep and crawl. Next we have to see these organisms is a creeps and crawl. See, these also reptiles is a most familiar with us. We have to see these reptiles. See lizards. See on the wall, lizard wall. See, it is also reptiles. See, snake also it is a reptiles. See mostly these are a terrestrial. See, these are terrestrial. And dry. See, their skin is a dry, means it is a dry area for also it is a cornified skins. Their skin is a cornified skin. We have to see that their skins is this like cornified is there. See this like. Next we have to see the epidermal scales and scutes. Epidermal scale and so it is a present scutes also. See, mostly they are terrestrial, and it is a some are living in the aquatic also. We have to see these snakes. Snakes is a living in the water also. Next, skin is a dry. Have you observed the skin? See, their skin is a dry and cornified skin. See, we have to see the cornified means this like scales is there, this like, okay, cornified, and epidermal skin and squid also present. Next, tympanum represent ear. See what say? Next one, tympanum. Tympanum represent ear. Tympanum is a represent as a ear. Next, here is a two pairs of limbs is there. Two pairs of limbs present. See, we have to see the two pairs. Lizard have a two pairs of limbs. Next, we have to see the crocodile also has a two pairs of limbs. Next, see, it is a three-chambered heart. See, here is a three-chambered heart. See, it is a three-chambered heart is a present here. See, mostly reptiles has a three-chambered heart, but crocodile has a four-chambered heart. See, crocodile. See, crocodile has a four-chambered heart. See, four-chambered heart. See, here is a three-chambered heart means two auricles and one ventricle. See here, four-chambered heart, two auricles, two ventricles. See, this is a most important. Which reptiles have a four-chambered heart? See, giving to the four options. See, crocodile has a only four-chambered heart. Okay. See, this like very important. And see, it is a next, pichylothumb. See, it is a cold-blooded. See, these are a pichylothumps. Cold-blooded animals. Next, we have to see the sexes are a separate, internal and oviparous direct. Sexes are separate, and it is a internal oviparous and direct. See here, what seeing here? Sexes are separate. See, have you observed the nagin? See, they are penetrating to each other. See, sexes are separate. See this like, and internal oviparous, they are laying the eggs. Eggs is a laying. You have to observe the crocodile also. Crocodiles is a living in water, but it is a keeping the eggs on land. So it is a making the burrow and making the holes and keeping their eggs. After hatching, they are giving to their babies in their mouth and bringing towards the water. See how to observe the in National Geography channels also. It is a crocodiles and it is a direct. See, this is about the totally, see, reptilia. Once creep or cravel, we are calling the reptiles. They are creeping or craveling. Next, these are a terrestrial, dive and cornified skins and epidermal scales also present. See, tympanum represent the ear. There is no external ear. Have you seen the ear? No. Next, we have to see the two pairs of limbs is present. See, three-chambered heart is present. See, in reptilia, but except crocodile has a four-chambered heart. So it is a two auricles and two ventricles. Next, these are a 5 kilotherms, and see, these are a cold-blooded animals. See, sexes are separate, internal fertilizations and oviparous and direct. See, best example is a snake. Snake is there, lizard is there. Okay. Next, we have to see the crocodile is there. See, number of examples is there. See, I said these are a very shortly in your book. It's a giving to the more information. Do you want the more information? You have to learn in your book. See, this is enough for us.